Lesson 1B, Reading the Periodic Table. This is the periodic table. It shows all the elements known to man. Currently, we know around 118 elements, each with their own set of characteristics. Each cell provides information of an atom of a particular element. If we use the cell for titanium as an example, we can describe what we see. The top number is the atomic number. This is the number of protons that we find in each atom of this element. This number is unique to each element. Titanium's atomic number is 22. It has 22 protons. Remember, protons are found in a nucleus. The 1, 2, or 3-letter combination is the element's symbol. It always starts with a capital, and sometimes seems to be a strange choice of characters, but it may reflect its Greek or Latin name. Look at copper, which has a symbol of Cu, and lead, which has a symbol Pb as examples. The full name is found below the symbol, titanium, and the atomic mass is next. This varies often to 1 or 2 decimal places. This is the weighted average of all the different isotopes, or of all the different mass atoms for this one element. This is a complicated topic and will be discussed in more detail later in class. The numbers that we see on the top right, either a positive or negative number, and on occasion is empty, is the ionic charge. This is the charge that the atoms would like to acquire to become stable. Now, since the table is a periodic table of elements, all of these atoms are neutral, meaning that they have the same number of protons as electrons. However, the ionic charges found on this table point out what charge they would like to acquire if they were allowed to lose or gain electrons to become stable. If we look at this atom as an example, we see that it has 2 protons. Its atomic number is 2. Looking at our periodic table, the only element that has 2 protons is helium. It has 2 neutrons. And remember, the protons and neutrons are the only subatomic particles with mass. So the mass of this helium is 4. We call this the mass number. If this is a neutral atom, also known as an elemental atom, then the number of electrons, the number of negative charges, must equal the number of protons, the number of positive charges. This helium atom should have 2 electrons. The 2 protons plus charges are cancelled out by the 2 electrons minus 2 charges. The net charge is 0.